September 14th, 2008.
It's a pretty impressive cup you got there. I go around the house carrying my stuff like that.
Charlie can walk kind of with some help. She's walking around furniture. Charlie? Hi. What's funny? Oh, you're gonna get daddy. Oh.